What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2005 Honda Odyssey and the key won't turn in the ignition. Let's check it out. See, with our key here we can put it in, but this key will not turn. It can be due to the steering wheel being locked, but we have enough movement for the steering wheel to turn, so our mechanism for the key itself is locked up. Here we have a new lock cylinder, and we also took it to a locksmith to have a key to fit our original keys so it will match the door. Once you can access the steering column, you have to break loose these breakaway nuts. Once they're tightened, the head of the bolts break off and it's torqued down, but you have to strike them loose if you want to remove it. Once you strike the bolt loose, you can screw it out by hand. Now we must remove our immobilizer module over to our new lock cylinder.